Hi, if you want to change messages sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then as a first step, you will need to find your Samsung messages, which looks like that. Don't confuse it with Google Messages because in Google Messages we won't be able to do this. So set Samsung Messages as your default app, open it, tap on three dots, and go in Settings. Then you need to find Notifications and tap on Sound, and also make sure that you can see status on here. If not, then tap on this switcher so it will light up blue. And after that, you can pick any other sound from the list just by tapping it. And to actually save changes, just use this back arrow, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.